Song number 24, Two Fingers Down. In class today, we learned how to play the note F sharp on the D string. The D string is this string, close to the G string. It's this one. And we utilize our second finger, which is our middle finger, to be placed on the second tape on your violin. So here's my first tape, correct? Which is closest to the scroll. Now the second tape is this one I have right here. That is your F sharp. Make sure that there is space between the first finger and then the second finger. You can see there's space in between. So this is what an F sharp sounds like. Again, to prepare, make sure your violin is up. Your thumb is very important. It's going to be placed along the side of the violin neck, right across from the first tape of your fingerboard. So just like this, pointing toward the ceiling, make sure you have a space. Put your first finger down on the first tape of your violin. That is your note E. Then put your second finger on the second tape. That's your note F. So let's start song number 24 after 4 beats, please. I have my violin hold correct. I have my first finger and second finger down, and my bow hold is ready. I place my bow at the frog on the D string. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Full bow, please. 4. 1. Push to the frog. Push the tip. Rest. Up bow. 2, 3, 4. Push the frog. Push the tip. Push the frog. And rest on B4 where your bow stops. And then place your violin.